Welcome back to our vlog, everyone. So today's video, ipapasilip ko sa inyo yung backyard namin. Kasi sa loob ng bahay is super messy po. So this time, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng aming backyard. So ito guys is baby, what is that? Is that citrus, right? Lemon or lime?
Citrus for sure.
Citrus, I know.
They look like lemons for me.
It look like lemon, look like lemon. Kasi nagslagasan na. Tapos marami sa baba pero wala naman kami nakitang bunga. Baka na-harvest na ata ng owner. Here. Tapos ito dalawang tawag dyan. Parang kahoy ba? Basta. Tapos, the best dito guys also is, may fig tree sila. Tingnan nyo yung bunga guys, May bunga na, Marami siyang bunga. Tapos, ano ba ito, Fig tree. Malaki. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng kahoy ito, Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng kahoy ito. Baby, what is that? Oh my goodness! Look at that. It's blooming. There's a flower. I don't know what kind of plant.
Oh yeah.
See that? It's beautiful. It smells so good. What is that, baby? Is another fig tree or what?
No.
Oh, it's another fig tree. Okay, sorry. I thought it's okra. Yeah, it's something like that. It's growing. Hey, Michaela, go. And here's the best as well, guys. Here's the best. Let's go to the guava. Oh, look at Camela. She's eating grass already. It's a very huge guava. Pero patingin nga. Basta may nakita kami isang bunga dito nung naghanap kami ng bahay. Ito ang bunga. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Isa lang nakita naming bunga. Sana madagdagan pa ito. Here's the thing. Baby, where's the fruits of the guava? I can't see. Here. It's only one. Isa pa lang, Isa pa lang yung bunga ng guava.
Oh, yeah.
Ang laki din, It's like a bush. Tapos, the best also, guys, is mayroong avocado. May avocado po kami. Yan, Pero wala siyang bunga. Avocado lang. Sana mamunga. I saw a bird nest. There's a bird nest there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a bird nest. Malaki po guys yung backyard. Makapagtanim na kami ng maraming vegetable and fruits. Ito talaga yung gustong-gusto namin guys, ay makakuha kami ng ng backyard. Magkaroon kami ng backyard. Hey, how was it? It's good? It's fresh. It's fresh morning, Michaela. Yeah, you're gonna make a garden here. Huh? Look at Camila. My dog is so happy as well. We just saw one guava. I hope we can see more. Baka isa lang yung bunga. Hindi pa malaki yung guava. Tapos tingnan natin dito sa kabila, Marla. Din malaki yung space din dito. Yan Makapagtanim ka talaga ng maayos. Nasilaglagan yung mga lemon. Pero wala namang kita na lemon dito sa taas. I just saw it's blooming.